Welcome, everyone, to the first ever Monday Morning Mailbag, technically being recorded on a Tuesday because of scheduling. My name's James O'Brien, and I'm one of the co-founders of Polycarbin, and I'm here with...
No, Pyles, the other co-founder of Polycarbin.
Every week, Noah and I get excellent questions from researchers across the globe that are looking to make sustainability a priority in their lives, in their labs. And rather than answering these questions privately over the phone or over email, we decided to share them with the rest of the community. However, since this is our maiden voyage, we're going to start things off with the beginning of Polycarbon's origin story.
I can kick things off there. I think it's almost been 10 years now since I met you, James, but we technically met at a bar in Pittsburgh the summer before med school started, and we ended up living together. And after 2 years of med school, entering our research year, you and I started to kind of bond over the idea that there was this frustrating cost associated with research, and that was the amount of single-use plastics that we were ultimately producing. What was really frustrating about it is when we thought about our experiments, we thought about all the failure in science, all the times that the experiment didn't go the way we wanted it to, or we didn't get the results we expected, or honestly, there was contamination in an experiment. We just had to throw everything away. And we started to kind of pick at that scab to think, like, where was this material going? What we discovered was that not only was it more material than we thought we were producing, not only was it going to a place that we never could have imagined, but the social, environmental, overall industry-wide damaging effect it was having was unsustainable. And unfortunately for us, that meant we couldn't stop talking about it, couldn't stop thinking about it. And we ended up founding Polycarbon in that research year because we wanted to address the issue. And I will add that when we decided to tackle this issue, we started with the fundamental question of what is the most sustainable thing that we can do with this material. We know we can't get rid of plastics in this industry. We know they're required for high throughput, high precision research. So what is the best thing we can do? And we came to the conclusion that it was circularity or bust. We had to bring it back into the same manufacturing supply chain, bring it back to the same customers, the same consumers with the same sustainability interests and habits in order to maximize use cycles and reduce the amount of total virgin material entering the market. And so that's where it all began.
Well, for me, I saw that this required a scientist's touch. It was very clear to me that in labs, if we were going to solve this problem for ourselves, for our colleagues, it was going to take a solution built by scientists for scientists, working across the industry from manufacturers to generators in the lab to environmental service providers to create this complete end-to-end solution for these consumables. And that's why we built Polycarbin, the platform that exists today, working with a global community of scientists working to reduce the carbon footprint of innovation. So we're going to be having these hopefully every Monday or close to every Monday.
Maybe on Tuesdays sometimes.
Maybe on Tuesdays, schedules pending. But we encourage everyone that's interested in writing in, being a part of the conversation, to shoot us your questions at support@polycarbin.com. Look forward to seeing you there.
Talk soon, everyone.